Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add a form in Wix. Open the Wix editor, choose the page, and click Add to insert a form. Next, pick a template that matches your needs and drag it into place. Use the form settings to rename fields, toggle required options, and add placeholders. Save your work and preview the page to test submissions and layout before publishing your site. In this video, I will show how to add a form in Wix. Select the form and open form settings to edit fields, labels, and validation rules. Add or remove fields to match your data needs, then set required toggles and helper text for clarity. Configure file upload or drop-down options if collecting documents or multiple choices. Test field behavior in preview mode. In this video, I will show how to add a form in Wix. Go to Form Settings and configure where submissions are sent and stored for easy follow-up. Connect the form to your email, Wix inbox, or Zapier to automate workflows. Set up an autoresponder message to thank users and explain next steps. Finally, test submission notifications so you never miss a lead or message from your site visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.